up guys, LT Cruising here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the intake that I put in the Cavalier lately, and then we'll take it to a little park and let you see what it looks like on the inside. We're going to do a couple drive-bys, and yeah, should we get some good content?
Alright, so he's about to do a little flyby here.
I got it done maybe between 20 and 30 minutes. Didn't really take that long. Wasn't a hard job. If you guys want to see how to do it, just let me down below. I'll make a video of how I did it. Give it a couple revs. It's a lot louder than what it used to be for sure. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram at LT Cruising.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.